Today we will be discussing two types of interest. Interest, in the following scenario, is a payment to a contender of a bank for choosing that particular bank. Simple interest, or flat interest, is most commonly used for loans under 1 year. Interest that is only paid once on that principal amount, the starting amount, is called arithmetic growth. Here's the formula. In this formula, P represents the principal, or original amount, R represents the rate at which interest will grow on the principal, and T represents the time that the loan will be in the bank.
Compound interest is used more commonly on loans exceeding 1 year and savings accounts, which applies to the following situation. Interest is paid on both the principal amount and past interest, creating geometric growth. These are 4 different optional periods for compounding: annually, semi-annually, quarterly, and monthly. In the following formula, A represents the future value, P represents the principal amount, R represents the annual rate, N represents the amount of compounding periods within 1 year, and T represents the number of years.
Hannah wants to save up enough money to purchase a $500 moped. She's considering which account will need the smallest starting principal amount. Bank A has a flat rate of 5% annually. Bank B offers a rate of 5% compounded annually. Bank C has a rate of 5% compounded monthly. Which bank will allow Hannah to make the smallest principal amount?
To solve the scenario with Bank A, insert 500, Hannah's intended amount, in for the future value variable, 0.05, the interest rate in place of R, and 10, the amount of years Hannah is willing to wait to accumulate the future value, in for T. The principal amount solves to be $333.3 for Bank A.
Bank B offers Hannah a 5% rate compounded annually. To start this problem, we would distribute the principal throughout the 1 plus 5%, giving you 1.05p, and then to the 10th power, giving you 1.63p. Divide 500 by the 1.63, and Hannah will be left with a principal amount of $306.75.
Bank C offers Hannah a rate of 5% compounded monthly. To solve for Hannah's principal amount, insert 500 for the future value, multiplied by 1 plus 0.05, our interest rate, divided by 12, raised to 12, our number of months, times 10, our number of years. For Bank C, Hannah's principal amount will need to be $303.58. Hannah should choose Bank C. Bank C is the least expensive choice by $3.17. A higher compounding period creates greater interest earned on her deposit.